So it has been a very fruitful and engaging session, and also the hall is full, and probably it's time for our stomach to be full. So it's my great privilege and pleasure to give this vote of thanks, and we have always had the support of our director, Professor Bhaskar Ramurthy, and actually this suggestion, Mr. Srinivasan, I met him a couple of days ago to invite him for the Sansad Ratna Awards function on the seminar. He came up with the suggestion that IIT students should actually work with the constituencies so that they can directly address the issues faced by the people. It was his suggestion. Then we actually talked to Mr. Megwal also. He was a member of Science and Technology Committee earlier, so he also jumped up and said that, okay, let us do this, a very great idea. So students who have technical know-how and also interested in doing internships can directly work with the people, and our Arjun Ramji has offered to take up the pilot project himself, so give him a big hand. Okay. At the outset, I would like to thank the members of the jury of the Sansad Ratna Awards function, Arjun Ram Megwal ji, Anandarao Atshul ji, and Hansraj Ahir ji. Then I should thank the awardees. Mr. Chowdhury is here, Mr. Barne is here, and our erstwhile awardee, Mr. Ram Subbu, is also here, and Mr. Satav, Mr. Rajiv, and Shivaji Rao Patil ji, and Bappa Barne ji, and Dr. Hina Vijay Kumar Gavit, and Sri Satav, and all of them, actually you are all inspiration to us, and many of them pointed out that politicians are not usually expected to be good people, but once you get to know them, they are all good people actually, because I was also initially scared, so I never used to speak to Mr. Megwal ji. Then even now he speaks more with me than I with him. So actually it's a great pleasure for us, because IIT students are also not very exposed to the world outside. It's a kind of a cocoon in many ways, and our director is trying to kind of make this into a much more exposed cocoon in many ways. And if you look at it, recently there is a lot of news coverage about one of the villages in Rajasthan which has been basically lit by, probably for the first time in independence, they have continuous electricity. Our director, Professor Bhaskar Ramurthy, and Professor Ashok Junjunwala were the pioneers in many ways in taking electricity to rural areas, that too with the solar energy, and also they are developing new technologies. So IITs are doing a lot of technological innovations that can be used and that are transformative in nature. So I would request the parliamentarians who are actually leading parliamentarians to take a lead, as Mr. Arjun Ram Megwal has done, to kind of utilize the services of IITs in transforming India. It is not happening. And our director is also trying with Research Park and many things to create a link between academicians, industry, and also in many ways policymakers. If this kind of becomes a reality, then we can actually transform India next 20-25 years to much better, and make our the standard of living and quality of life much better for our people. Thank you very much, and thanks Kavi Priya for doing a great job, and the entire Sansad Ratna team. And I should especially thank Mr. Srinivasan for being a great philosopher, friend, and mentor in the real sense of the term. Thank you very much.